Thing we can't get enough of when we're out camping is tables. So I bought this little table. It just looks so nice and elegant. So it's made out of bamboo and aluminum, and it's got these two little clasps here. It's got a little handle you can carry it around, and then the outside part here is the table. We'll go ahead and we'll open it up, and those hinges come together. There's no clip or anything. It just stays together, I guess, with tension. And because of the design, it has no inclination to open up once it's a table. We'll bring these into position, and they're nice and tight. They lock into place. You'll notice they have sort of foam on there, so depending on, if you're going to be using this by the pool maybe, and you're worried about some stone or something. But look, you get a nice table. You could sit under this if you wanted to, so you could use this on like the beach or sitting someplace, like a breakfast in bed type of situation. But we're planning on using it in the tent as just a kind of a bedside table, and we have a place to put stuff underneath it. We have a place up on top now. Very lightweight, doesn't weigh hardly anything, and it folds up to almost nothing. That's why I bought it. Hope this helps.